Hello, my name is Rob and I work as a MSP consultant at ProVal. Today I'm going to go over how to create a custom patching group within the Patch Manager. This will be useful anytime you need to set up a custom patch setting for a client or anytime you have a group of machines that need patching settings other than the standards that are set up. Please click the like and subscribe button in the bottom right corner so you never miss any of our videos. And let's get going. In this scenario, I'm going to create a group that is manually populated and add it to the patch manager. So first thing we're going to do is open the control center. As you can see, I have open. We're going to go to browse, and then we're going to go over to groups. Within groups, we're going to select where we want the group created. In this case, I'm going to put it under patching, and I'm going to create the group. So to create the group, just going to right click, go to create group. I'm going to give it a meaningful name. In this case, since we're doing a demo, I'm just going to call it Demo Patching Group. Now, for this, I'm going to leave this as a manually populated group, so I'm not going to create a search, but you can create a custom search or use any of the automation in order to have this group populated. So once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and create it. Once this is saved, I can close this out. Next thing I'm going to do is open up the Patch Manager. Patch Manager is accessed through Automation and Patch Manager. Once this opens up, we're going to go to Configuration. That's this button here in the upper right-hand corner. In Configuration, you can see groups. That's where we're going to show it by default. To get my group in the Patch Manager, I'm going to click on the Group Actions button. I'm going to click Add Existing Group, and I'm going to scroll down to where I created my group. So in this case, I'm again going to go down to Patching, and I'm going to scroll down and go to my Demo Patching Group. Now, something that's useful in here is you'll notice that the groups that are already imported are grayed out, so you can't inadvertently try and import a group that's already here. So I'm going to pull in my Demo Patching Group and click OK. Once it shows up, because this is a custom group and I want these settings to apply to the agents, I am going to move this group down to the bottom of the list. Now, once the group's here, this has been set up. All I would need to do is select the appropriate update policy and reboot policy and select any approvals that I want to apply just to this group. So this is how you can create a group for custom patching within Automate. Thank you for watching. We post new videos each week to share our knowledge. Let us know what else you would like to see. If you have any questions, please leave your response in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.